There are more than 6,000 stocks in Wall Street. It is a lot. In the NYSE there are more than 2,800 stocks, and in the Nasdaq, there are more than 3,600 stocks. This does not include ETFs and mutual funds. So, it is very difficult to do filtering and screening these stocks. Just imagine, with 700 stocks in Indonesian stock exchange, and most often we are still likely to buy the wrong stock. The stock that we buy tend to go down, and what we sell usually goes up. So, what a beginner should do when starting to invest in Wall Street. What is the easiest way to do stock screening? Here are some tips for me. First, focus on stocks that are constituent of the Dow 30, Nasdaq 100, and S&P 500. The beauty of GoTrade apps is these stocks have been curated, so the screening process will be easier and more focused. We have narrowed down from 6,000 stocks to a maximum of 630 stocks, or less, because some of the stocks are included in 2 or more indexes. Second, look for stocks that appear in the 2 main indexes. For example, a stock that is a constituent of Dow Jones Industrial Average, Dow 30, and S&P, or a constituent of Nasdaq and S&P. Third, look for stocks that cost below $200 so you don't need a lot of money to start buying. Fourth, check the trend in the last 1-year period and the last 3 months. See if it still tends to go up. Fifth, it would be better if the stock gives regular dividends every 3 months so you can get additional income. I chose Dow as an example in this illustration because Dow is a component of the Dow Jones Industrial Average and S&P 500, and the price is below $200 per share. Also, the stock still tends to rise even though it is currently in a sideways phase, and it gives out regular dividends with a yield of 3.99%. It is easier to do screening for investment on Wall Street, right? So don't say it is hard to invest in Wall Street, you just don't know the tips and tricks yet. So, start investing in Wall Street now. Just use GoTrade apps. It is easy. You just need to install and register right away. Don't forget to use the invitation code 470982. The approval process takes about 3 to 7 working days. It is way faster compared to when I opened a TD Ameritrade account, which took almost 3 months for approval because there were so many people registering.